YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect your Claude with the ClickUp. So guys, if you want to connect your ClickUp with the Claude, so guys, it is very easy. First of all guys, you open your browser. Okay, after open the browser guys, simply search Claude AI. Okay, then open and sign in with your account. When you are signed in, so guys, here you see the option of customize. Here you check the customize option, so you just click it. After that guys, here you see the option of connect your app, so just add and connect your app. Now guys, here you see that it shows the lot of application here, but it is difficult to find your ClickUp, so you simply go for search and simply search ClickUp. Okay, here you simply add it, project management and collaboration for the team and the agents, so you just click it, and now it asks you to sign in the step of the new browser. Now guys, here it asks you to sign in with your account. Okay, so you use the ClickUp accounts to sign in, and when you completely sign in with the right credentials, you just check that you are completely logged in with your account of Cloud, and you also connect your ClickUp with the Cloud. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.